So what's up, good people? Thank you so much for stopping by to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, make sure you subscribe. This is Devance Empire. To all our subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing to our YouTube channel. In case you've not yet subscribed, make sure you subscribe and click on the notification bell to always receive an alert of every video we do upload in our YouTube channel.
I will live, I will not die.
So in today's video, I'm going to take you through the process of making mandazi at home. Simple recipe, just at home with whatever ingredients we do have. It's a simple method, and I believe at the end of this video you shall have known how to make mandazis, perfect mandazis, very good mandazis, presentable mandazis. And this is that channel that gives you the best. I believe I always give you the best. So let's do this. So in today's video, just as I have told you, we are going to make mandazis, and these are our ingredients. We will need baking powder. This will help the dough or the unga to swell. We'll need sugar. This is sugar. Yeah, we'll need sugar. We'll also need cooking oil. I normally use fresh fry, so we will need this. This one, I don't know what it is, but it's for taste, flavor. Actually, Joseph, a friend of mine called Joseph Kisivuli, he's a chef. He's the one who told me to always use it, especially when I'm baking. I will also need blue band, 100 grams. 100 grams will take us through the whole process. I'm trying to focus, it's not focusing. We'll also need unga. I will use this one. This is Ajab fortified all-purpose baking flour. It's for cooking both mandazi, chapati, cakes, and many other things. That's why I'm gonna use baking powder. Though there are other types of flours that we normally use that already have all those ingredients inside. We'll also need eggs to add taste. 3 eggs in our case. And then these are some of the spoons and knives that we are going to use in the process. This is warm water. It's already warm. It will help fasten up the process of swelling, especially after using the baking powder. And then we need a clean container or a clean basin to knead our dough. So we'll need a container to knead our dough. So let's do this, guys. So the first step that we're going to do, we are going to add sugar. I've already measured my sugar. And then the next step, I'm going to add I don't know what this is. As I told you, that I was told to use it by a friend of mine, so I will just put little of it. I don't know what it is. I normally just use things as advised by my friends. Then I'll use my blue band. These ones are just to add taste. And then I will love to mix it. Good. So the next step I'm going to do, I'll break my eggs open one after the other as I add to my my mixture. Once that is done, we'll have to mix it. So this is a mixture of sugar, blue band, and eggs. So after mixing it for a while, so I'm going to add my baking powder. This is my baking powder. The baking powder helps with the swelling of the mandazi. So I will just add little, actually a half of this big spoon. Well, I will sum it up later. Good. So I'll have to mix it. So once this is ready, I will have to add my flour. Make sure as you do all this, your hands are clean, because you'll have to knead it using your hands to get the soft texture that you are looking for. The softer the texture, the softer the mandazis shall be. The harder the texture, the harder the mandazis. Now our dough is ready. It's no longer sticky as before. Now what we're going to do, we'll add a little cooking oil to it. Just as actually I use fresh fry, I will add just a little. I'll smear on top and actually try kneading it with it for a while. Then I'll have to cover it for about 20 minutes so that it can soften up, especially because of the baking powder that we added into it. So, so this is how we do it. Good. Now I'll have to cover it for 20 minutes using a piece of paper. So covering it and leaving it for about 20 minutes helps it become soft, helping the ingredients melt more and become more softer and sweeter, especially on the end product. Good. See you after 20 minutes. 20 minutes later, our dough is ready, as you can all see. So now what we're going to do, that we're going to go to the next step, which is dividing the mandazis into equal shapes. So this is our area of working. I have smeared some flour up here to avoid it, to avoid the dough from sticking. As all the cutting and the shaping is going on, what we'll also do, we'll have to heat up our cooking oil in advance. So this is our cooking oil in a dry sufria. This is our source of heat. So we just need enough. Okay. You'll have to turn the ones that is in a float. Turning them in zisaidia zisilipuke. Zikianza kufurafura hivi unabadilisha. cook. This is ready. The first round is ready. Just to turn golden brown. You have to cover them to soften them. Good. So I want to thank you guys for watching this video from the beginning to the end. I am glad that I've taken you through the process of making mandazis locally, and these are our final products. So sweet, so delicious, golden brown in color, and I believe you have learned to make these mandazis. Oh. So sweet. If you loved this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, share it, comment. Let me know what is your take on this video. Drop your comments below, share what is in your mind, and until next time, this is Devance Empire. Make sure you subscribe and click on the notification bell to always receive an alert of every video we do upload in our YouTube channel. Yeah, let me share this with my friends.